test it and see what they say how far it goes.
It's a good ways down through Florida to get to Orlando.
We're gonna breed.
Huh?
We're gonna breed the beach.
It's 4 hours.
Little choppy airplane. What time is it? 2, is it?
We better go.
Probably should be coming.
She's probably.
Oh, she had to pick him up at 2. She should be back here at 2:45.
You gonna put that on your Instagram?
You can't. I'll put on YouTube.
That's what I do. Put it on YouTube. Tell a cool story at Christmas. That's what you gotta do.
Put it on your Facebook.
Put it on YouTube and we'll download it.
Just download the Facebook app.
But you can't hear the song.
It's a video she's taking. That's what we're gonna do.
And tag her.
Can you do it here?
No, you have to have internet.
Well, look at it. Can you do it at Grammy's then? Can you do it at our house? Go to Wi-Fi or what? That's gonna be a good one.
Supposed to be. Well, that's why we get it from right here.
That's what we need to get for Hollywood.
Yeah.
It shows how to empty and everything. A little over dramatic there.
No, that's always. No, you did too. Which one's gonna break?
Shipping.
Question.
Packaging and handling.
Probably that's
That was my uncle snoring. Peace out. This was a country four-wheeling video. Thanks, guys. Bye.